CIMA House by Art/MA Design Group in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Casa CIMA, located in Los Cabos, is a subtle volumetric expression adapted to the irregular shape of the land, taking advantage of it to create panoramic views and unique experiences throughout the day, towards the Sea of Cortez and the Sierra de la Laguna. The initial concept was to create a mass by subtracting volumes, creating voids, and allowing natural light to enter, resulting in fluid spatial relationships between the interior and exterior. These openings create terraces that open towards the sea, where materials and textures gradually change. Inside, the regional stone was used to clad the walls, providing warmth and character, while on the exterior, a smoother and sleeker appearance was achieved with sand-colored stucco. The program consists of 2 main bedrooms and 3 secondary bedrooms. 4 of them have ocean views, while the last one opens to a private courtyard with vegetation and a water mirror. The common areas include a living room, dining room, main and secondary kitchens, TV room, office, massage room, gym, and service areas. On the main facade, a volume is suspended over a large water mirror. Inside is found the massage room and gym, crowned by a floating trellis. On the second level, there is a mezzanine that offers views of the mountains and the sunsets that gently illuminate the earth walls of the structure. Trellises float over the surrounding courtyards, creating shadows and textures on the ground. Casa CIMA operates with a solar energy system that allows it to operate while reducing the consumption of grid energy, aiming to be more sustainable. The interior design, by Palmira Interiors, is inspired by the context of Baja, taking the color palette from the desertic landscape and integrating it with the organic shapes of the architectural floor plan, whose references from mid-century modern design are both functional and elegant with a strong geometric intention. Through textures, materials, and colors, a powerful bond with nature is created.